Hello you guys, welcome back. What I'm gonna do today is this shed. We're gonna work on the rafter tails. Not sure if you can see it, but they're all rotted out. And there's big holes in the roof. So I got the tin to fix it. What we're gonna try to do is just scab in some rafter tails and put some plywood over it, and put down the stripping for the tin so we can save this shed. Because you always need extra shed for who knows what. Or in this case, a bunch of implements, Ford truck parts all over. But this is a good sized shed, good for use a lot of things. So the first thing we gotta do, well, actually I already worked on the other side. I don't know how much that you can see. This side I already did. Figured that way, if me being blind, it came out bad, I'd do the worst side first. Side that nobody can really see. But my girlfriend said it looks good, so I had time to do the other side. So I don't have enough cords to reach out here. I'm gonna get the generator, a bunch of cords, a bunch of equipment that a blind guy probably shouldn't be using, but I'm going to anyways. Okay, what we got here, it's all rotten across here, as you can see. I patched them piece down there already. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get this board across here. If you can see that. Screw it down so we got something straight to run our skill saw across and cut the rotten part out. Once we get that all ripped out, I'm gonna cut some new rafter tail, screw it to it, scab it to it, and cut a piece of plywood, put it on there. Like I said, we're not going for perfection, we're just going to fix it so we can put the tin on, make it dry shed again. Why I quit earlier, last week, I think it was, is because I ran in a bee's nest. Me being blind, didn't know, had a bunch of bees after me. So here I am, back working on it again. Hopefully there's no more, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, I'm up on the roof. Probably not the best place for me, but here I am. Here's what I did on this side. Good enough. So what I did over here, I screwed that board along. Yes, you're wondering how I use a tape measure. That's how I did it. Okay. I'm hoping this be on the edge somewhere-ish. And I move it to the edge of the board. Lock it down. Go over to this side. And lock it down. Like I said, it doesn't have to be quite exact. We're not doing exact measurement. I have no idea what this tape measure says, because I can't see that good now. Like I said in some of my other videos, I can see somewhat, but I definitely can't read the tape measure. I can see there's something yellow sticking out, but I have no idea what any of this says. So now I need to get back down and get the generator started, get the saw up here, and yeah, see if I can not cut into another bee's nest again. So I'm going to show you what I did to the saw, so I don't cut all the way through the rafter tails. I kind of moved it down, moved this blade down, the guard down, wherever the hell you call it. Moved it down so it only cuts, I don't know, an inch. I don't know what that is. I just guesstimated. So it doesn't cut into too bad. If you're wondering why I run a generator, not off the garage, it's because, well, pretty simple. I don't have enough cords. So that's what we're doing. Now I need to climb up there and cut this without being stung. It'd be a lot easier if I could actually see them coming after me. Okay, here we go. Okay, as you can see, got this cut, ripped it up. No bees so far, good luck. But one thing, when you're blind, I think you can see this somewhere, right here. Occasionally, you end up cutting the cord in half with the saw because you can't see where the cord's at. Always make sure your cords are out of the way. So now I gotta go fix that. Oh, almost got it done. Okay, here we got the cord fixed. If you're wondering how I did it, I just used a couple of blue butt connectors. How I knew they were blue was the yellow ones are too big, the red ones are too small. I think I got it right, the wires on here, because I got a 50-50 chance. There was only 2 wires, so I think I got that back fixed. So let's see what we go break again. By the way, I don't recommend, just because have trouble seeing, legally blind. If you're visually impaired, legally blind, I don't recommend you doing anything I do. A lot of it's not safe, but that's what I do. I'm not going to sit around in the chair and do nothing. A lot of it's probably pretty dangerous, but it's whatever. As you can see, got the old piece cut out, new rafter tails in. So what we're going to do, take this tape measure that I can't read. What you do is you go, I know there's a notch here somewhere, go from there down to about here-ish. Where the okay, let's run my finger down. Yeah, that's about right. Like I said, we're not going for perfection here. So we keep this locked, once again, too murky on the new board, because I cannot read it. So let's see if we can find a piece that big. By about this long, whatever that one is. So I found this piece of wood here, still got my tape measure locked. Hook it on the end, you can feel it get hooked until it pulls off. And I can feel just about the same. That's close enough for this job. So then I gotta go up and guesstimate the width of the other one. And then rip it, screw it down, repeat, and hopefully it'll be good. As you can see, got my guide down there. Kind of guesstimated that. And now I'm going to cut it, and I hope it's right. Now to start up generator, make my cut. Hopefully I don't cut the cord in half again. So as you can see, got it all pieced in there. Got these stringers up here for the tin. Like I said, not going for perfect. She helped me finish it up. So now we're ready to put on the tin. It was too windy the other day, put tin up, so we're waiting until